In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use plenty of emojis in Zoom. Let's dive right in. Once you're in a Zoom meeting, look along the bottom of the window for the Reactions button. Depending on your version or window size, it might appear as React or even live under a More option with 3 dots. If you don't see the toolbar at first, just move your mouse or tap the screen and it should pop up. Clicking Reactions opens a small panel with quick options like thumbs up or clapping, perfect for showing support without interrupting the speaker. Now, here's the key to unlocking a lot more choices. In that same Reactions panel, look to the right of the visible emojis for a small 3-dot icon. This is the More menu for Reactions. Click it to expand the full emoji picker. This larger panel is where you'll find plenty of emojis, far beyond the default few. You'll typically see categories, a wider range of expressions, and sometimes recently used options to make repeat reactions faster. It's a great way to add nuance, whether you want to show excitement, agreement, curiosity, or lighthearted humor. With the full picker open, simply choose the emoji that best matches what you want to convey. When you click one, Zoom displays it as a reaction for everyone to see. On most setups, your reaction appears near your video tile or on the meeting screen and then fades after a few seconds. That means you can express yourself without derailing the flow of conversation, and you don't have to worry about clearing it. Zoom handles that automatically. A few quick tips as you use reactions. Keep your reactions timely and relevant. They're most effective when they mirror the moment, like celebrating a key point or signaling agreement during a vote. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile device, the Reactions option might be tucked behind a More button at the bottom or top of your screen, but the process is the same. Open Reactions, use the 3 dots to expand, then pick your emoji. If you don't see Reactions at all, your host may have it disabled for the meeting, so just know that it's not on your end. And remember, reactions are visual only. They won't make sound or interrupt the speaker. That's all there is to it. Open the Reactions panel, expand the full list with the 3 dots, and choose the emoji that says exactly what you mean. With these simple steps, you'll make your Zoom presence more expressive, positive, and engaging.